Hello, little girl. Hey, sweet baby. Yeah, look, little girl. Hey, sweetheart. Yeah, you're just a little girl. Oh, boy. What a sweet baby you are. And you made it all the way up the rope, up here. And you're thinking about going up there with Aunt Ramona and your little brother who's already up there. You're a sweet baby girl. Yes, she is. Come in here so we can see you. She's just a sweet baby. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Climb the pole. No climb the pole today. No. Yeah. You're a good girl. Yeah. Ramona says climb the pole to her. Hello, Ramona. Hey, sweet girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Ramona's a good mama. Hello there, little boy. How are you? How are you? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Little stinker. You're just a sweet little old thing. Yes, you are. Ramona, are you babysitting Kylie's children? Yes, you are. You're a good girl.